It's Matty Crayon time! Hey everybody! Today we are at CJ's Bakery. Yeah, CJ's Bakery. What's a bakery? That's right, a bakery is a place where they make things you can eat, like bread and pies and donuts. Whoa, donuts! Today is National Donut Day. Do you like donuts? Yeah, I like donuts. Let's go and have a look at the donuts. We are inside the bakery store. Yeah, we're inside. This is where they make lots of delicious things. And they make donuts. Do you want to see how they make donuts? Yeah, let's look how we make donuts. These are donuts. This is the dough part of the donuts. And we're putting the donuts into the oil. And the oil is very hot. That's what makes the donuts. Let's have a look. This is Andrew. And Andrew's going to pull out the donuts. We're ready to take them out. Look. Whoa! The donuts are on a tray that's inside the hot oil. And he pulls them out. Let's pull these ones out, shall we? Whoa. Look at that. Here they come. Look at the donuts. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 donuts. Whoa. Let's put them over here. Little ones. And now we have some little donuts. Look at these. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are small donuts. Let's put them in the oil. Wow. Look at that. Let's flip the donuts. Whoa. So we have to go from the outside and flip it. Look at that. We flip the donut. Whoa. Flip the donut. Flip the donut. Can you say that? Flip the donut. Yeah. Flip the donut. And now we reset the timer. We wait for them to finish. Look at this. He's putting swirls onto the donut. Little chocolate swirls with this icing sugar. Wow, look. Awesome. Here's the donuts we finished. Let's make some pink ones. We dip the donuts into the pink icing and then we put sprinkles all over them. Let's do another one. Dip the donut into the chocolate and then sprinkle all the hundreds of thousands, the sprinkles over the top. That's cool, isn't it? Let's do it again. Dip the donut and then sprinkle hundreds of thousands. Yay! Look at that. Whoa, they look so yummy, don't they? I could eat all of them. Wow, look at this. Now we're going to drizzle. Can you say that? Drizzle. Yeah, this is called drizzling. We are drizzling the icing over the top of the donuts. Look at that one. It's a chocolate donut with white icing drizzled on the top. And this one is a pink donut with white icing drizzled on the top and hundreds of thousands dipped into it as well. Yum! Look, it's a tray. Let's put the donuts onto the tray. Ready? We'll do it with magic. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Next, we're going to take them to the front of the shop, to the front of the bakery. The donuts are in the cabinet. The donuts are in the cabinet. They are ready for someone to buy them. Do you want to buy some donuts? Yeah, let's buy some donuts. Can you say that? Buy some donuts. Yeah, let's buy some donuts.
Hi, how are you going today?
I'm doing really good.
What can I get you?
I would like to buy some donuts.
Which ones would you like?
They all look so good. I will have one of these. And I will have one of these. And I will have one of these. Just chocolate. One more space. What shall I have? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch Matty by the toe. Yeah, let's have the chocolate sprinkles. Yeah. Chocolate sprinkles. I like it. Mmm.
Here you are, Matty Crayon.
Wow, thank you so much.
Matty Crayon, would you want one of these?
Oh wow, they look so delicious. What are they?
They're vanilla sliced donuts.
Whoa, vanilla sliced donuts. Yeah, I'll buy one too. Look, she's put them into the box. It's a vanilla sliced donut. Let's have a look. Whoa, look at that. Did you remember the ones we saw earlier? And now they come out looking like this. Do you want to try one? Yeah. Whoa. I've got my 4 donuts. And I've got my 3 small donuts. What shall I do with them? Shall I eat them all? No, I don't think I will. I've got an idea. Let's go and surprise somebody with the donuts. Do you want to do that? Let's go.
See you later, Matty Crayon.
Bye.
Bye. I think he's going to secretly eat them all.
Wow, we're here at my friend's house. Yeah, and we're going to surprise them with the donuts from the bakery. We are sharing. Can you say that? Sharing. Yeah, sharing. Sharing is a good thing. Sharing means that you like somebody. Sharing means saying thank you. So we're going to share with them our donuts that we got from the bakery. Yeah. Let's go and surprise them. We're knocking on the door. Surprise! Haha, look! It's Elora and Makai. Do you like donuts?
Yes.
Wow, they like donuts. Let's give them some donuts. Here you are.
Thanks, Matty Crayon.
Can you see what the donut colours are?
Yeah.
What colours are they?
Brown and pink.
Brown and pink, yeah.
And rainbow and white.
And rainbow colours, yeah. What? They've got lots of sprinkles,
And
yeah.
icing.
What's your favourite looking donut?
This one.
That's your
That's
favourite?
my favourite pink one. This
Ah.
is my favourite donut too.
That's your
My
favourite?
favourite one is those ones.
And that's your favourite too? I like this one. And I like this one. I like all of them.
Thanks for the donuts. We have a surprise for you.
It's an apple. Wow, thank you. Matty Crayon likes apples.
Bye.
See you later.
Hey, Matty Crayon.